Then we have parameterized constructor, which is gonna allow you to pass value during object creation, giving you more control over initialization. Let's have a look about the same example. Here we can add two more parameters. In our case, it's gonna be string, color, comma, and speed. And here, instead of passing the values directly, we're gonna say color equal color and speed equal speed. Then inside the main, I would go and create object for that class by saying car equal my car, new car. And here inside that one, we will start by saying blue, comma, 150. And if I will go to console.writeLine, I'm gonna say here the color of my car gonna equal my car.color and speed my car.speed. And we can run out this application, and here we can find the attributes has been initialized by the parameterized constructor.